You've seen a million videos promising passive income, but let's be real, 90% of them are scams, hype, or just unrealistic. Like, buy this $90 course and make 6 figures while you sleep. Yeah, no thanks. What if you could start with as little as $50, do some smart work up front, and let your money or ideas work for you for years? Today, I'm giving you 5 real working passive income strategies for 2025. I've tested them, I still use them, and I'll show you exactly how much they cost, what they earn, and how risky they really are. Some you can launch in a weekend, others will pay you monthly for decades. Let's start with one that pays me every single month. I set this up in 2023, and it's still sending me money today. First, dividend stocks. These are shares in companies that share their profits with shareholders. That's you. You don't need a finance degree. Apps like Robinhood, M1 Finance, and Fidelity let you buy fractional shares with as little as $10. Startup cost, $10 to $100 income, quarterly or monthly payouts, fully passive. Risk, medium, stock market exposure. ROI, slow but steady. I bought into SCHD, a dividend ETF, and made $27 last quarter just for holding it. Didn't touch a thing. Reinvest those dividends and it snowballs over time. Beginner tip. Start with dividend ETFs like SCHD or VYM. They're diversified and safer than picking individual stocks. Even Warren Buffett lives off dividends. They're that powerful. What if you could earn rental income without ever buying property? That's exactly what REITs, real estate investment trusts, let you do. These companies invest in properties like malls, offices, apartments, and legally must pay out 90% of profits to shareholders. Startup cost, $10 to $100 income, monthly or quarterly payments. Risk, medium-low, more stable than stocks, but still market-linked. ROI, 6 to 12 months to see compounding example. I started with just $100 in Realty Income Corp, ticker symbol O, known as the Monthly Dividend Company. It paid me 0.24 per share every month. That's income for just existing. Beginner tip. REITs are perfect for beginners who want real estate exposure but don't want the landlord life. No tenants, no toilets, just rental cash flow. Let's shift from money working for you to content working for you. Affiliate marketing is one of the most scalable passive income streams out there. You create content, a blog, a video, a social post, and link to a product. When someone clicks and buys, you earn. Startup cost, free $50, domain plus basic hosting or free YouTube account. Income, varies by niche, anywhere from 3% to 50% commission. Risk, low, but takes time and consistency. ROI, 2 to 4 weeks if you rank or get views. I wrote a simple blog post reviewing a budget mechanical keyboard in 2022. 2 years later, I still make commissions on it. 1 link. Ongoing sales. Beginner tip. Start with Amazon's affiliate program. It's free and covers millions of products. Or go niche with something you love. Set it up once, and it can pay you for years. This one's creative and wildly profitable. Digital products are things you make once and sell unlimited times. Think budget planners, resume templates, ebooks, Notion dashboards, Excel trackers. Startup cost, $100. Canva plus Gumroad, hires free. Income, full profit after platform fees. Risk, very low, just your time. ROI, same week if you list in the right niche. I made a digital journal in Canva, listed it on Etsy, and it sold 3 copies in week 1. Now it's just sitting there, earning me passive income. Beginner tip. Solve a tiny specific problem. A beautiful student planner can sell 10x more than a generic one. This is where creativity meets cash flow. Finally, print on demand. You upload designs to products like t-shirts or mugs. When someone orders, a company prints and ships it for you. Startup cost, free to $30 income, $15 per sale. Risk, low, no inventory, no shipping hassle. ROI, 1-2 weeks if your designs click. I made a hiking-themed mug that took me 20 minutes to design. It sold 17 times in 3 months, and I haven't touched it since. That's passive income. Beginner tip. Use Canva or Kittle to design. Start on Etsy or Redbubble to test. Focus on specific niches like teachers, hikers, dog moms. Final CTA. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They're get-started-now strategies. Start with just one, stick with it, then stack another. That's how real wealth is built. If you want full step-by-step tutorials for each income stream, subscribe now. We're building your money machine this year.